Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that red button. If you've been here before, you haven't hit that red button yet, hit that red button. I have so much to talk about today. It's so crazy. But first, let me apologize for my last video. I was so upset because it was so frustrating when I tried my first retightening and with the tool that I use.
I don't know, I'm gonna try that then.
Y'all just don't even know, but just believe me, when you do yours,
I might go to a professional.
you will see how frustrating it is.
It be like that sometime, girl.
But we'll also see how much of a beauty it is.
What did you say?
Especially when you hit that finish line.
I might try it then. I might try it.
So y'all, here we go. Let's get into it.
Okay, guys, I did my entire head, but I left this section at the top with the bun right there. I left that section to do. It's a lot of twists in that section. And I started off just by taking one twist at a time, looping it around the tool at the top. I did not put my hair through the hole in the tool because that was the hardest thing and that would take forever. Which this actually did take forever, but it was well worth it afterwards. As you can see, I'm interlocking now. Twist by twist, I just take them and interlock, and I do place I think I use Murray gel. I had some Murray gel, twist and lock gel that I used at the roots as I twisted and interlocked the twist. And I can't stress it enough, make sure you have clean parts in your head, because if you don't, like me, I started off trying to part my hair clean, and then after I finished, I started picking up hairs and just twisting them. And that became a problem at the end when it was time to interlock, because I was pulling hairs out of different places. They were scattered. So when I interlock, it would be pulling hairs, or the twist would connect together at the top. So make sure your parts are clean, because I had to go through my head, and some of the twists I had to take loose because I was pulling hairs from other places. So I would have to take them loose, retwist, and then interlock at the root. As you can see, I'm going to finish this little section right here on this side, and then I'll move on to the next side. All right, guys, on to this side over here. I did the same thing I did on the opposite side. Right here, I'm just showing you my hair where some of the twists were connected at the back. But let me finish this side now. I'm going to show you guys. and I'm looping it around and interlocking at the root. And I'm very pleased with my results. I love them. They look so much better than before. I'm really feeling this right now. And it took me a while. Like I said, I started on a Monday, finished on Wednesday. So, but it's all about the person. It depends on how fast you are, or if you're going to, continue to do your hair, like start in the morning and finish at night. I actually just went off of my own time. Did what I could when I could. And now I'm done with my head. So glad, so thankful. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. I'm just taking everything loose so you guys can see the whole head. And now I am fully interlocked. I'm so excited. This is my first time ever doing this. My first retightening. I'm so happy and so pleased about it. That's right. All right. I hope this helped you out a whole lot. See you guys next time. Bye.